Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you the Star-Spangled Banner in honor of the 4th of July. I'm doing this Star-Spangled Banner in the key of F because that's a fairly comfortable key for a woman to sing in. It has a very large range of an octave and a fifth, and so you have to pick a key that works for your voice. The chords in this key are an F, a C, a D minor, a G7, I have a C7, and I have a B flat, and a G minor. And that's it. I'm using a very simple strumming pattern. Songs often sung a cappella, which means without instruments. So I'm just doing 3 downs per measure. This song's in 3/4 times. So I go down, down, down. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!